Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just do not think that it's possible because you are broke? Hello, in today's video, I will show you how you can travel to Spain for free. If this is something that you are interested in, keep on watching this video all the way to the very end. And if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your incredible support. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you. God bless you. And yes, to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you to you guys, especially for always liking my videos. Thank you for always sharing my videos. Thank you for your messages. I see your amazing, your beautiful messages. Thank you. And thank you. If you're new here, please do also like this video and also share with your friends, because I'm going to be sharing the details on how you can study in Spain, how you can travel to Spain all for free. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every single week. Yeah, every week I share 3 videos. And yes, you need to tune into my channel every single day. There's something for someone here on this channel. Without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. So guys, have you heard of the Autonomous University of Madrid, UAM? Yes, so do you know that you can participate in Spain government scholarships and LA Carxia Foundation scholarships? Yes, so they're strong in research, economics, and international relations. They offer full tuition and monthly stipend for select programs. So besties, welcome back to the channel where we turn ambition into action and dreams into degrees. If you have been searching for a way to study in Europe without drowning in tuition fees, today's spotlight is for you, because we're talking about the Autonomous University of Madrid, one of Spain's top universities, public universities, offering fully funded scholarships for international students. So guys, do you know you can study in Spain for free? Because the Autonomous University of Madrid Scholarship 2026 is out here waiting for you. So let's get into it. The Autonomous University of Madrid, UAM, is located in Spain's capital and it is known for its excellence in law, in medicine, in psychology, in engineering, and science, political science. It's consistently ranked among the top universities in Spain and Europe. And yes, they offer scholarships that can cover full tuition, living expenses, and so much more. What scholarships are available? Here is a breakdown of the key funding opportunities that you can get. Number 1, fully funded UAM scholarships. It is open to students from any nationality, whether you're from Nigeria, Ghana, or United States or Canada. It is available for master's, bachelor's, and PhD programs. They cover tuition fees, living expenses, travel, research costs. Fields include business, medicine, law, psychology, engineering, political science, and so much more. Then, have you heard of MAEC AECID Spanish government scholarships? They're offered in partnership with UAM. They cover full tuition, monthly stipend, and travel costs. They prioritize students from Latin America, students from Africa, and of course, students from Asia. There's Erasmus Mobility Grants for students that are participating in exchange or joint programs. They cover tuition, travel, monthly stipends. It's ideal for students who want to study across multiple European countries. Who can apply? You can apply. These scholarships are open to non-EU international students, especially those that are applying for full-time degree-seeking programs. So whether you're coming from Latin America, you're coming from Asia, Africa, or even the Middle East, guess what? You are eligible to apply. And here is the best part. Many scholarships don't even require separate applications. So once you apply to UAM, you're automatically considered for several funding options. You're considered for several other scholarships. And here is how to apply. Here is the action plan. Choose your program. Visit UAM's official website and explore their bachelor's, their master's, and PhD offerings. Then go ahead and prepare your documents. And you will need transcripts, passport, or proof of language proficiency, and a strong personal statement. And apply before the deadline, because most scholarship applications open in late fall and they close by early spring. Then check for additional requirements, because some scholarships may ask for proof of income, academic ranking, or research proposals. Don't worry, I have templates as well. I have guys that can help you build a winning application. And in case you're wondering why choose Autonomous University of Madrid, let's talk about the experience. You see, UAM offers top-tier academics with global rankings in law, in medicine, in social sciences. They also give you modern campuses with research centers and innovation hubs, as well as international student support and multicultural community. They also get affordable living costs compared to other European capitals. Plus, you'll be studying in Madrid, a city full of culture, full of opportunity, and global connection. So besties, if you are ready to study in Spain, if you're ready to get funded, and if you're ready to build your future, you see, Autonomous University of Madrid is waiting for you. Check out the scholarship links in my description and let me know in the comments if you need help choosing a program or preparing your application. Do not forget to like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and of course, share this video with someone who needs it. I have more videos that are coming your way on scholarships, on grants, and how to study abroad without breaking the bank. So if you're new here and you have not introduced yourself yet, go ahead and introduce yourself. I want to know you. I'm not joking. Have you been to any channel where the host really wants to know you or the content creator wants to know me? I want to know you. What's your name? Where are you watching from? How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? Put their names in the comments so I can say thank you to whoever sent this video. And please also do well to share this video with your friends as well. Share this video with your colleagues. Share this video with your, your besties, your church members, your mosque members. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Sometimes we need information. I mean, we all need information, really. Information is the difference. Information rules the world. The person with the information gets more opportunity than the person without information, So information makes all the difference. It takes you from zero to hero. So please do well to share this video and be a blessing to other people. If you need help, you want to book a one-on-one consultation with me, then you have to join my Patreon community. Yes, I have a Patreon membership. Join my Patreon membership, or you can join my channel membership. Find the link to my Patreon community in the description, and you can also use the join button right next to the subscribe button as well. I am here to support you all the way, and here are some tips that will help you with your application. Please do not forget to toot your horn in your statements of purpose. Do not forget to let them know how much of a blessing you've been to your community, how much community involvement that you have done, maybe in your church, you've been involved in raising funds, or you've been involved in building boreholes or building something, anything that has to do with the community. If you've helped, or you've helped to control traffic at some point, put it in your statement of purpose. I'm telling you. Or maybe you assisted the poor, you assisted the blind, the less privileged, or you taught in a community where everyone is running away from. Or maybe you went to a remote community and you were able to make a huge impact in the lives of young people. So please do well to put all of these in your application. It counts. Just in case someone has told you, it really, really counts. And part of the reasons why you want to study abroad is it gives you that experience of a lifetime. Like, you would never have this experience if you sit down in your home country. So it makes all the difference in the world. And just so you know, you can also, it's possible that you integrate into the country, yes, and become a citizen, yeah. And you can also get a job, work, study, and you can also get a job after graduation, and it can be your home, your new home, right? And you can also meet your life partner. So if you're a man and you're single, maybe you meet your wife there. And if you're a woman and you're single, maybe you meet your husband there, So the list is endless. Do not look down on yourself. Don't write yourself off. Go ahead and start applying today. And please, like I always say, stay ready so you never have to get ready. Get all your transcripts in place, get your references, your statement of purpose, get all of these things ready so that there's ample time for you to submit them during your application. So that's all I have for you in today's video. If this video has blessed you, know how we do it. Click on the subscribe button, like this video, and do well to share with your friends. I'm also open to business inquiries and collaborations. Just send me an email, ceo@chasiseverything.com. Till I see you guys in my next video, take care of yourselves and God bless you. Bye for now.